Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding comparison between different logic families. Okay, comparison between different CMOS logic families. Okay, so here I am taking some of the logic families here. Those are HC, HCT, VHC, VHCT. Okay, HC, HCT, VHC and VHCT. So these are the different CMOS logic families here. Okay, so now I am comparing these logic families with some input specifications. Okay, I am comparing these logic families with some input specifications. Okay, so the input specifications for HC, HCT, VHC and VHCT CMOS logic families, okay, with VCC varying from 4.5 volts to 5.5 volts. Okay, the VCC is varying from 4.5 volts to 4.5 volts to 5.5 volts. Okay, here the VCC is varying from 4.5 volts to 5.5 volts. Okay, so now we compare these logic families with input specifications. Okay, some of the input specifications where the VCC is varying from 4.5 volts to 5.5 volts. Okay, now coming to the first one, input leakage current. So this one is the first input specifications. The input leakage current, it represents the maximum input current for any input voltage. Okay, it represents the maximum input current for any input voltage, and it is denoted by I max. Okay, I max, I suffix I max. Okay, now coming to these logic families, for HC logic family, the I max value is plus or minus 1 microamps, and for HCT I max value is equal to plus or minus 1 microamps. For VHC also it is same value, right, plus or minus 1 microamps, and for VHCT the I max value is plus or minus 1 microamps. So all these are having same value, that is plus or minus 1 microamps, that is the input leakage current. So here the plus or minus indicates the direction of current flow. Okay, direction of the current flow. Okay, so plus or minus indicates direction of the current flow. Fine. And next one, maximum input capacitance. Okay, so it is denoted by C in max. Okay, C in max. Maximum input capacitance is denoted by C in max here. So this one is the C in max. Okay, it is represented by C in max. So for HC, the C in max value is 10 picofarad. Okay, C in max value is 10 picofarad. So for HCT, C in max value is 10 picofarad, and for VHC also C in max is 10 picofarad, and for VHCT C in max value is 10 picofarad. So it is having same value 10 picofarad for all the logic families. Okay, that is a C in max, that is maximum input capacitance. Okay, maximum input capacitance. And next one is third one, low level input voltage. So it represents the maximum input voltage which is referred to be low value. Okay, it represents the maximum input voltage which is referred to be low value. So it is denoted by VIL max. Okay, it is denoted by VIL max. So it is having some values for different logic families, right? So for VHC or VHC, right, sorry, HC or VHC, the VIL max value is 1.35 volts, and for HCT, VHCT value is VIL max equal to 0.8 volts. Okay, so as HC or HCT or VHCT or TTL compatible, okay, so they can take the TTL value here, right? HCT VHCT value is those are the TTL compatible, so they can take the TTL value. Okay, here T indicates TTL compatibility. Okay, in HCT or VHCT, T indicates the TTL compatibility, right? So all these are the values for HC or VHC and HCT and VHCT. So that is the low level input voltage. Okay, so these are having different different values, right? So next one, high level input voltage. High level input voltage, so it represents the minimum input voltage. Okay, minimum input voltage which is referred to be low. Okay, high level input voltage, it represents the minimum input voltage which is referred to be low, and it indicates by VIH minimum. Okay, VIH minimum, right? So here it is also having different logic families, different values, right? So for a HC, the VIH minimum is 3.85 volts, and for HCT it is having 2.0 volts, and for VHC 3.85 volts, and for VHCT 2.0 volts. So these are having different values, right, for high level input voltage. So high level input voltage indicates the minimum input voltage which is referred to be low value, right? So for these logic families, there are HC, HCT, VHC, VHCT. We compare these logic families with different input specifications. Those are first one, input leakage current. Second one, maximum input capacitance. Third one, low level input voltage. Fourth one, high level input voltage. Okay, so with these input specifications, we compared these logic families. Okay, first of all, input leakage current means it represents the maximum input current for any input voltage, and it is denoted by I max. Okay, I max, right? And for maximum input capacitance, that is denoted by C in max. Okay, C in max. And low level input voltage, that represents the maximum input voltage which is referred to be low value, right? So it is indicated by V suffix IL max, right? And last one, high level input voltage, that represents the minimum input voltage which is referred to be low. Hence it is denoted by VIH minimum. VIH minimum, right? So all these are the input specifications. With those input specifications, we have compared these logic families. Okay, so that are the regarding comparison between different CMOS logic families. Okay, so all these are the different CMOS logic families. We compared those one with different input specifications, right? Okay, so that is regarding comparison between different CMOS logic families. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.